Making some Asian stir fry. All you have to do is heat up the ground beef. Once the ground beef is cooking and simmering, add some olive oil, black pepper, and some I'm also making it in pasta style. Same pasta sauce. We're making two different meals. One without the pasta for low carbs, and another one with the pasta, with the vegetables and the stir fry. Stir fry first, then add it to the cooked pasta, as you see here. These are last minute meals, okay? But they're made easy and they're made cheap, okay? This is grass-fed beef, by the way. Everything is sold at Walmart. Okay? You don't have to go to Walmart if you don't want to. There's more around. Yeah, this whole thing was filled up with the beef. I'll put the rest in here. Gonna add cheese in here. Gotta make sure the pasta is well cooked by using. Everything is Walmart basically here. You're not promoting them with this stuff that we're using. Okay. Hey, I need you guys to subscribe. We need to hit the 1,000, and more videos are coming after that. So, step by step. These are for you to say, hey, this looks great. I'd like to learn how to cook this. Well, we got Sunday coming up too. Weekend cooking. So that's basically what I'm doing here. Alright, let me showcase, and then we're done. Okay, I found some. It should use mozzarella cheese, but unfortunately, I guess we don't have it. So, we gotta use what we have. And you want to give this here. Now, you can add hot pepper sauce, you can add whatever you want to this. But that's about it. Let me get this in showcase out here. The other one is ready, which is this one. It's cooked. That's how it'll look.